And now we're about to show you how to do our Premium Boxes dryer vent COVID slide. It comes with an 8-foot long dryer vent. It comes with 3 different types of popsicle sticks and wooden dowels. So we have the long wooden dowels, we have long wooden popsicle sticks, and then we also have the short, smaller, craftable popsicle sticks. You can also paint these popsicle sticks with multiple different colors. We have picked up glow-in-the-dark green, we have black, and we have a pumpkin orange. Now you can paint these on your free time to make them stand out even more. So here we've already got demonstrated how we took our small dowels to create a V shape that we put and taped into as an accordion style to our cauldron. So this way it can hold it straight open to the bottom for when the candy needs to be dropped in at the top. And now we're going to show you how to tape the top of it to the top of our structure. And here we have the final completion of our COVID candy slide. We have put our dowels onto our cups that created the entrance so that it can now have our candy slide through to the bottom of the cauldron. Go ahead, Joey. Booyah!
Ta-da. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!